Hello, I'm Kyle, owner of Maki Heating and Air Conditioning. I just wanted to discuss a little bit about generators. With the power outage problems that we've been having, a lot of people are investing in getting generators to run their home or parts of their home. A lot of people have been purchasing portable generators, which are generally gasoline, and you roll them up to your front door and you start them up, and then you run extension cords through your front door to your refrigerator and maybe a couple lights or something like that. Portable generators are great because they're portable. What a lot of people are doing now is putting in standby generators or whole house generators, which you can set on a pad outside permanently on your backyard patio or wherever, concrete pad, and wire it in directly to your existing electric panel a lot of times, or there may be a need to upgrade your electric panel for ease of installation as well, and for just a whole system that works well together. Standby generators can be wired with manual transfer switch, where because you have to isolate your main panel from the generator power. So there will be some sort of a transfer switch in there that you can turn off, and it will isolate the panel from the power being generated by your generator. There are automatic transfer switch where they sense the power loss in your main panel, and the generator will automatically kick in and start generating power to your home, and you have to do nothing. It does it all automatically. Or the manual transfer switch, where you actually physically go out and flip a switch that transfers the power from your main panel to your generator that's generating the power for your home. The benefits to automatic is that they're automatic, that you do nothing. It does it all automatically for you. And the generator will run itself once a week or so for 15 minutes to just keep the oil fresh and circulating, and it will do that all automatically for you. The manual transfer switch, it's up to you, the homeowner, to go out every so often, start it up, let it run for 10-15 minutes to keep the oil fresh. So it is a little bit more work for the homeowner with a manual transfer switch. Generally, the cost of installation is going to be about the same. The amount of work is going to be about the same. So for the homeowner who doesn't want to have to mess with it and just wants it to be simple, automatic transfer switch is the way to go.